Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me ULEFONE Note 13P, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install free VPN application on your device. Okay, firstly open your web browser and open 2ip.io website. Thanks to this website, we can see how websites see our location. In my case, it's Poland. It's true. But now, open your Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Open this application. Find the app with a rabbit icon. Click install. Wait a while. Click open. Agree, and cool. Now just click on the card on the center of your screen, and cool, we are successfully connected to VPN server. Okay, let's check how websites see our location now. Open 2ip.io and reload this page. Reload this page. Okay, that's it. Now we are really successfully connected. Okay, VPN is working, internet is working, and now we are in Georgia. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.